If you are a recipient of SSI, Supplemental Security Income, SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, VA benefits, Veterans Affairs benefits, or receive Railroad Retirement benefits, RRB, you still may not have received your stimulus check. Well, last Friday, the IRS came out with an update telling you when you're going to be receiving those stimulus checks. 88 million people have already received their checks, but that leaves about 60 million that still have yet to receive their checks. If you're one of those that haven't received their checks and you fall into one of those SSI, SSDI, or Social Security recipient, VA benefit recipient, or Railroad Retirement benefit recipient, then your checks are coming soon. The IRS recently said as well, if you are one of these recipients and you have a dependent, but you haven't claimed that dependent on your 2018 or 2019 taxes, you have until May 5th to claim that dependent on your taxes. And to do that, you can go to one of the tools that the IRS has come up with, the Get My Payment tool that I have a link in the description below. Or if you do not file taxes and are not required to file taxes in 2018 and 2019, there's also a tool labeled Non-Filers Tool, and I have that down below. A Treasury spokeswoman recently said that Social Security benefit recipients and disability non-filers will see their stimulus payments in their account by April 29th, so tomorrow, Wednesday, April 29th. Those that are on Supplemental Security Income and they are non-filers should begin seeing their payments early in May. Veterans Affairs benefits recipients should be receiving their benefits early in May as well. So if you haven't already and you don't receive direct deposit for some of those benefits, you need to go to the Get My Payment tool if you file taxes, and the Non-Filer tool if you do not file taxes, and you need to do so before Tuesday at noon. That's today at noon. You need to go and update your direct deposit information so you can receive that money electronically. If you already receive your money electronically for your Social Security benefits, your Supplemental Security Income, your VA benefits, if you receive those electronically already, you should automatically be receiving those checks soon. And a quick word on the IRS payment tools. If you haven't had luck with them before, you need to try them again. The IRS has been doing a bunch of updates over the past few weeks, and as of last weekend, they said that there are a bunch of updates that they just posted. I've heard of many people that have had problems in the past are now getting a successful response and status update on their checks and telling them when they're going to be getting their payment. So if you've tried it before and it hasn't worked, try it again. It should be working for you now. So those of you that are on Supplemental Security Income, SSI, or receive VA benefits, and you need to claim a dependent that you haven't claimed on your 2018 or 2019 tax return, you must fill out the information on the Non-Filer tool before May 5th to receive that $500 credit for your dependent. If you wait until after May 5th to do that, you're still going to receive that $500 credit, but you're not going to receive it until next year. So make sure that you hurry and get that form filled out by May 5th if you are a non-filer, did not file in 2018 or 2019, and receive VA benefits or Supplemental Security Income. And that's if you need to add a dependent to receive the $500 for each dependent stimulus money. If you are a non-filer and you don't have any dependents, then your stimulus payment will be coming directly into your account, the same account that you receive your benefits in, and you don't need to do anything for that. If you're on Social Security or you receive Railroad Retirement benefits and you didn't claim a dependent, they had a deadline of April 17th, and if you haven't added a dependent by April 17th, which obviously is in the past now, then you're going to have to wait until next year to receive that extra $500 for each dependent you claim but haven't been claiming on your taxes. So unfortunately, you're kind of out of luck as far as this year goes. And there are some senators that actually sent a letter to the IRS claiming that this needs to be changed and everything else, but as of right now, there haven't been any changes made to that. If you miss that deadline of April 17th and you're a Social Security recipient or a Railroad Retirement benefit recipient, then unfortunately for now, you're kind of out of luck. You're gonna have to wait until you receive that benefit a year from now. There may be a change to that at some point, but as of now, there haven't been any changes. I'm going to leave a link for all of the tools that the IRS has put out for receiving your stimulus checks. But if you are an SSI, SSDI, Social Security recipient, Veterans Affairs benefit recipient, or Railroad Retirement benefit recipient, your check should be coming soon, either by April 29th or the early part of May, based on what I already said in the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to stay up to date on these stimulus check update and on any updates that may be coming of future stimulus checks, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be going over all of the latest stimulus information that's coming in from Congress and potential to receive any new benefits that may be coming for Social Security recipients or SSI, SSDI, or any other retirement benefits that come from the government. I'm going to be covering all of those in upcoming videos as news comes out. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to receive all of those updates. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.